I would say like my most extra thing is this 50 inch $5,000 wig. I just feel like a princess whenever I wear this hair. Hi, I'm PatrickStarrr, and I'm gonna show you what's in my beauty drawers. I love to keep my beauty drawers organized. If you guys didn't know, I'm a YouTuber, makeup guru, brand owner, CEO. So I have to keep everything in line because it's my job and I function better for work when everything is organized. Is there something in my beauty drawer that I wish I had? I wish I had more space. All y'all can relate. We love more space. So if I can just expand this by like 20 feet, I think it would be a dream come true for what I need because I get so much makeup on the regular. My most favorite item right now is my One Size Beauty Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. Literally something I will use all day, every day for my Zoom meetings, my Zoom dates, my Zoom hookups, you know, all the above because, you know, we're quarantined. And so this is beautiful neutrals with pops of color. I love it so much. Everyone literally can wear this palette, and that's why my brand is called One Size, because makeup is a what? One size fits all. It's me, bitch. Okay. So over here, I would say is probably like the least hype drawer, but I love the most. It's my mask. A brand that I specifically love is SF Glow. They have a lip mask, they have a face mask, they have under eyes. These are so cute. There's like little designs, and when you put it on your face, it kind of gives that like pop art comic effect. So it's really fun when I'm on Instagram story or just talking to my friends or FaceTime me because, you know, if I don't have my makeup glam days, this is what I like. Okay, now over here, I love this drawer because obviously it's all mine. I have my Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist and travel spray. We have a little baby travel size. And of course, over here, we have a ton of makeup remover wipes because if you guys don't believe, I did not wake up like this and this makeup is gonna come off. Me and my natural beauty, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, so this is probably so extra. I'ma gag you. Look at all this concealer. This is all my Benefit Boi-ing Cakeless concealer. I love them so much. It's 24-hour waterproof. I have literally every single freaking color, and I can literally glam anybody for the rest of time and eternity, TikTok or not, with all this concealer, the Boi-ing Cakeless concealer by Benefit. I'm gonna just leave that there. Over here is my eyeliner drawer, and I just came out with eyeliners too. This is my Point Made. I'm gonna get real close, okay? Y'all need to listen because I know y'all eyes be looking wonky this season. So if you are in quarantine and you at home and you practicing social distancing, now is the time to slay your eyeliner with a 24-hour liquid, waterproof, super pigmented eyeliner by One Size Beauty, and it's called Point Made because it's literally the best eyeliner ever. It makes the finest strokes. It's so good. I'm wearing it just to conceal my big drag queen lashes in there, and it doesn't smudge, it doesn't bleed, especially if I'm super watery around the inner corner. This is the best. Point Made. Since COVID, my makeup routine has changed a little bit because we're not going places, seeing people. I have all the time in the world to try different things, to experiment, to try different skincare. During this time, I love supporting small businesses, especially my peers that are startup influencer-owned brands as well. A fashion brand that I happen to love is Chic, a Black-owned business. These sickening visors, because you know, when we protect our skin, we protect it from the sun. They are so fierce, so large. I love them, and all of my friends here on YouTube. So my foundation, I am so picky about, and I literally have every color as well. This is my LancômeTeint Idole 24-hour foundation. It's so good. It looks beautiful. It's on the higher end side because it is Lancôme. Looks beautiful on the skin, blurs, stays. It's actually buildable medium to full, but this is a holy grail in my makeup routine. One of my favorites is my, if I can get it out with my nails, are these Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. They're so pigmented, and because I bake and I wear so much powder, it's hard for me to find a blush that actually sticks on the face. Tarte is a beautiful brand, and this Amazonian Clay formula is so good because it sticks on my cheeks for a very long time. Here for you guys to see. This is the Laneige sleeping mask. Feels so good on the lips, as if a boy just made out with me for like 3 minutes, and that's not the case. This is so delicious on the lips day and night, and it makes your skin and lips feeling so juicy. And I'm talking about the lips on the mouth. Y'all nasties. Oh my gosh, one of the best, most glitteriest highlighters ever is by my dear friend Angel Marino. He has these beautiful loose highlighters. We all could use one. The name is called Sugar Daddy. Look at how glittery this looks. Like, come on. Wouldn't you want to hook up with me if I had this on? I mean, come on. I have not been on my knees this long, y'all. This is all for you, okay? So speaking of being on my knees, drag queens, we love being on our knees, and we love 301. So if you are an aspiring drag queen and you want to get paid from your sugar daddy and you want to get that look by PatrickStarrr, 301s is definitely a must-have for if you just want to play in drag during this quarantine time. I think it's really fun. And then these are bottom lashes, believe it or not. So, you know, I might throw them on a little bit later to get me a little bit of sugar, you know, for my daddy, okay? Oh my gosh. Every gay and girl loves poppers. Oh my God, we have eye poppers. All you guys that want a beautiful shimmery eyelid, these are my Sparkle Vision liquid eyeshadows. These are so gorgeous. These are the long handle. It glides on so easily. This is flake free. There's so much glitter, so much pigment. So gorgeous. This one's called Continental. And this one, bitch, ooh, makes my titties tingle. This one is called Everything and More. Literally, you guys will get your game together if you have these available only at Sephora and onesizebaby.com. I mean, yes. And we all could use a little bit of poppers, okay? So up here is setting spray. Okay, we love setting spray. I just kind of like play setting spray roulette because I'm so short and petite on camera that you can't, I really can't see. So whenever I just want to like reach for it, if I'm feeling a setting spray kind of day, oh my God, they customized this one for me. It has my name on it. Oh, we'll use this one because she's cute. Don't do anything for clout. Oh my gosh, believe it or not, me and Madonna are friends in my head. No, but really. Madonna, literally, I met her and she gave me her skincare, MDNA skin, and she gave me what looks like a phallic device. It's actually a carbon face roller. You actually, this looks inappropriate. You actually stick it on your face and it tightens, and you want to go up the carbon on the balls. What are we doing? You hold it by the shaft, you put the balls on your face, and it literally melts the product. I mean, I could use a real one, but it really melts the product onto your face, and this is a must-have. I have one in here, and I have one in my personal bathroom for my face. Thanks, Madonna. Vogue. I love Sol de Janeiro so much. They have this beautiful scented signature scent, and this is their Brazilian for Play Moisturizing Shower Gel Cream. So good. And this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, also personalized. This smells so good, so yummy. It reminds me of summer, and it's definitely a must-have, single or not single, because it's so delicious. If you guys didn't already know, I love Benefit Cosmetics. I love their Give Me Brow. I love baking. I love a lot of makeup. And sometimes if I do my brows, the powder will stick on my brows. And it's what we call crusty, dusty, musty. And so to combat the powder from being on my brows and looking crusty, dusty, musty, I just take some and I'll just coat it on my brows like that. And you're good to go. And I have a bunch of colors. So on the opposite side, this is where I keep all my tools and tricks and things, where I can organize all my brushes. I like to clean my brushes as well. I have literally every brush from Sigma to Morphe to Dior to Smashbox to Collabs, and this is literally all me, and I love brushes so much. So the item that I use the least is hair, cause I'm bald. All my girls would know that love to wear wigs. We have an airport wig, so when I'm bumping through TSA, this is her. This is my little, you know, shake and go. I look like Kris Jenner sometimes. It's not one that I would normally gravitate to with the glam, but you know, we're just gonna keep her there because we're not traveling right now, you know what I'm saying? So, all right guys, now it's time to put everything away. Tips and tricks to keep your beauty drawer and also mine organized is just having a system, writing down all of your categories that you want, and I have listed them down to drugstore to high-end and which category is what. And I think that's really important, and also finding inexpensive cardboard organizers online and asking friends around, just looking through different videos on YouTube, which is how I found what works best for me in terms of organizing my beauty room. Thank you so much for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here, and to subscribe, click here.